Saving the deposit for your first place can be daunting. Most lenders won't talk to you unless you've saved up at least 10% of the property price, plus the money to cover government and legal fees. Many lenders also keep their best home loan deals for those who have at least a 20% deposit. With today's house prices, that's some serious money that you'll need to save. You'll hear loan-to-value ratio, or LVR, a lot when you're comparing home loans. Thankfully, it's easy to understand. It's just the amount you need to borrow compared to the price you're paying for your property. So, the larger your deposit, the lower the LVR. This will determine what lenders you can apply to, what interest rates you'll be eligible for, and what risk fees you might have to pay. Risk fees? Yeah, you heard that right. If you're applying for a loan with an LVR above 80%, which means you've got less than a 20% deposit, you'll often need to pay lender's mortgage insurance for a similar risk fee. These fees can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the lender and your property price. This protects the lender in case you default on the loan and they need to sell the property at a loss. While there isn't any direct benefit to the borrower, it does mean you can get on the property ladder with a smaller deposit. As you save more towards a property, the LVR decreases and home loans usually become more competitive. Say hello to better interest rates and lower, or even no, risk fees. So, if you want to get the lowest interest rate possible and avoid paying LMI or a similar risk fee, then you'll usually need to save up at least a 20% deposit and have an LVR of 80%. However, with house prices rising, waiting to save up that extra deposit may see you priced out of the market, so you might consider it being worth paying the extra fees to get your foot in the door sooner. You'll also need to keep some cash aside to pay for your legal and settlement fees, not to mention the cost of furnishing your property. It's a lot to weigh up. If you need any more hints and tips for your home loan journey, then visit pepper.com.au. We're here to help.